Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Text. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you compress your PDF file, how you reduce the size of your PDF file. Here I'm using this PDF. We need to check the size of this PDF. Let's go to the properties. And here you can see the size of my PDF is 139 KB, but I want to reduce this size. So how I can do this? First of all, I just simply go to the Google Chrome. Here I need to type I love PDF, and this is the first link I need to click. And here we have options of compress PDF convert. Just simply click on this, and here we need to select the our desired file. I need to compress this file. Simply click on this and then compress file. Now we need to download and we need to check that our size is reduced or not. Just click on this, and here we need to go to the downloads, and here our file is downloaded. We need to check the properties, and here you can see, before that we can see it's the 135 or 25, I think so. Now it's the 75. So by using this simple step and only one single click, you can easily reduce your PDF file and you can easily compress your PDF file. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. I take care.